Hey, it's Tamara here and welcome back to my channel where I post videos to motivate you to do that thing you've always thought about doing. Now, based on the last video I posted about how I cleared my acne and hyperpigmentation in 5 months, I got a lot of questions offline and even some on YouTube on how to layer your products. And so I'm back again with another skincare video to show you how I layer my products. Let's dive into today's video. But if you're visiting for the first time, please like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone you think will find it useful. So now let's get into today's demonstration. I've got clean hands. Clean hands are very important when you're going to do anything on the surface of your face. Make sure you have washed your hands, and I have washed my hands. So I have sunscreen on right now. So I'm going to go into step number 1, which is a double cleanse. Now, a double cleanse means that I'm going to go in with one cleanser first to break down the oils from my sunscreen and oils basically from the day. If you're wearing makeup as well, it's also good to help you break down that makeup. And you can always use an oil-based cleanser. My bottle is quite empty, but I'm using Beauty of Ginseng Cleansing Oil. We're going to get to the bottom of it. I do have a new pack, but you know how it is with skincare, right? And so all I'm going to do is, I've got like 3 pumps, and I'm just going to rub the palm of my hand, generously spread all over my face, my forehead, circular motions, right? Please don't forget your neck. And after you've done this, you need to add a little bit of water, which now aids the breaking down with the cleansing oil. So I'll be back. So I'm back, cleansing oil all washed off, and then I go in with my actual cleanser for the evening, which is a simple hydrating cleanser by CeraVe. And all I need is a tiny pump because it lathers quite well. And we go back into the face in circular motions. Now for this, I tend to leave it on for at least 60 seconds. I don't count. Maybe I'm listening to music or something, but for at least 1 minute. And if you're in the bathroom, feel free to add droplets of water to help with the lathering. And I'll be back. I'm back, and my face is freshly washed, as you can see. I tend not to use face towels or cotton wool or cotton pads on my face. I choose to air dry my face because I'm not about the life of picking up particles from all those other substances. I'm fine waiting or gisting until my face is fully dry, and then I go into the layering. That said, it's really important to understand how to layer your products properly so that you get the best from the product. So if you don't layer your products properly, then they tend not to be as effective as they have been made to be. So from a scientific perspective, you want to layer first with water-based products, followed by thicker substances like your serum, and then even thicker substances like your moisturizers and your sunscreens. And that's what I'll be demonstrating as I wait for my face to air dry. So face is now air dry. We're going to go in first with a toner. And for that, I'm using my niacinamide toner from Tiam. Really nice. And I love it even more because it's a spritz. So all I have to do is just shake it, and it's as simple as that. Don't neglect your neck. And then I pat it in. At this point, I also wait a few seconds for it to air dry and get absorbed into the skin before I move on to my next product, which is my essence. And so for my essence, I'll be using another TM product. Is a snail mucin with water essence, and I love the consistency of this one. I love the way it feels. For me, it's also a replacement for Cosrx with snail mucin, and you just need like 2 drops. That's literally all you need. I also try not to rub too much all over my palm, and then I go in to my skin. Again, do not neglect your neck. Pat it in, your forehead, and just wait for it to absorb And after that, I go in with my serum and my treatment. And because this is a morning routine, I'm going in with peptides and some other actives like niacinamide and amino acids. And this one is by Ginseng. I don't know if you can see that. It's a really, really great product. It's called their Plumping Hydration Complex Serum. And I really love the way it feels. Again, now I just pump on my skin. I make sure if it's a pipette, if whatever it is, it doesn't touch my skin, hygiene reasons. And then I mix it, pat it into my skin and allow for it to absorb. Again, just like the others. This is the only serum I'll be using in my morning routine because it has other actives in it and that should be just fine. After that, I go into my antioxidant. It's a Skin Diva vitamin C with ferulic acid, and it's got vitamin E as well. So if you notice, most of my actives are combination products whereby they always have more than one active in them. And so you reap the benefits of all the actives in just 2 products. Make sure this pipette doesn't touch your skin. Ideally, I should have a mirror here, but I don't, right? Pat it in. And there you have it for your vitamin C serum. After that, we're almost at the end. Sometimes I skip this. This is moisturizer and it's simple. It also has some vitamin E. Again, it has mixed actives here, but I love the consistency. It has no fragrance and it absorbs really well all over the face, the neck. Pat it in. Make sure you allow it absorb. I find that doing my skincare routine in the morning can take me up to 10 minutes because I'm waiting for products to absorb. And then last but not the least, sunscreen. And for this, I'm using Bondi Sands. I really, really love this because it absorbs really well. It's SPF 50. For those of you who wonder, we go in with this much when it comes to sunscreen. This is how you do it. Do not panic. I promise you it will absorb and leave no white cast. Don't forget your neck. Spread it out evenly. As you can see, it's blending in nicely. And so that's literally how I layer my products. You can see that it's not difficult. It's easy to understand once you start to open up your products and you see the consistency. First thing, you cleanse. After you cleanse, you tone if you use a toner. Not everybody does. After that, you use an essence. Not everybody uses an essence, but your main treatment ingredients would then be your serum. Most times I use a maximum of 2 because they have combination actives in them, either for my hyperpigmentation or if I'm just really trying to keep my skin even toned. And after that, I moisturize and use sunscreen. And that's literally all you need to do, right? So if you found this video helpful and useful, please like. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. And I really, really thank you for staying up until this point in this video. If you suffer from acne and hyperpigmentation, I have another video here that can help you out. And if you have any more skincare questions, please feel free to ask me in the comment section, and hope to see you in my next video. Goodbye.